Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to add this type of device mockups very easily in just a few minutes. So let's get started. So what I have is I have an empty React project with Tailwind configured in it, and I have an H1. So to get this device mockups, you have to go to Flowbite and to device mockups, and you can directly come here and you can start just using them. There are lots of mockups available here. They have tablet mockup, they have laptop mockup as well, they have desktop mockup, they even have a watch mockup. So to use them, what you can do is you can just come here, and if you want to use an iOS mockup, you can come here and copy it. This time I'm going to use a tablet mockup maybe, so I'll just click on copy and just paste it here. So I'm using React, so that's why we need to add class name here, and I have to close the image tag as well. So to close the image tag, just add here, and to add class, so I'll just replace this class to class names. So I'll just click on and replace class equals to class name and replace all. Now this will replace everything. Let's see what we have. And just like this, we have a mockup available. Now you can use any of the mockup available here. Let's try to use this watch one. And let's just replace everything. Close images. And replace classes with class name and replace all. Let's see what we have. And just like this, we have a watch mockup. And you can use it similarly, use laptop mockup, and you can play with it. So you can start using it and have fun with it. Thanks guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.